At Wireless World, we understand the frustration of dealing with a cracked iPhone screen. Our expert technicians are dedicated to providing top-notch iPhone cracked screen repair in Tulsa, ensuring your device is restored to its optimal condition promptly. We proudly serve the Tulsa community, including the residents of Woodfield Estates, located at coordinates 35.990970063292416, 95.897124153833373. Our commitment is to offer convenient and reliable repair services to keep you connected. At Wireless World, we prioritize quality and efficiency. Our skilled technicians use high-quality replacement parts to ensure your iPhone functions like new. We know how important your device is in daily life, so we strive to complete most screen repairs quickly, minimizing your downtime. At Wireless World Oklahoma, we put quality, speed, and affordability first. Our goal is to make sure you walk out with a perfectly working iPhone and complete peace of mind. Still debating whether to get iPhone Cracked Screen Repair Tulsa services? Let's face it, a cracked screen can get worse over time, and using a damaged phone can be frustrating, if not downright dangerous. Why wait? Get your iPhone repaired today and get back to using it worry-free. In addition to iPhone screen repairs, we offer a range of services to meet your mobile device needs. Whether you're dealing with battery issues, water damage, or other technical problems, our team is equipped to handle it all. For trusted and professional iPhone cracked screen repair in Tulsa, visit Wireless World today. Reach out to us today for your iPhone cracked screen repair Tulsa needs. You can visit us at 149 S Memorial Drive, Tulsa, OK 74133, or visit our website www.wirelessworldoklahoma.com, or give us a call at +1 918 970 4460 for both office and cell. Experience exceptional service and a commitment to customer satisfaction that sets us apart.